right now I'm considering the possibility that we just have some type of ABC working up here in Canada. And another load coming. Moving on to the pound. Not sure that it's bottomed yet, but there's something on the dailies that looks incomplete to me. So I'm actually looking for a spot where I'd be looking to get long cable. I think that we're going to take out these highs and put in some type of third drive to a top up around the 161 area. So my overall take, and I could be, dead wrong. I haven't committed to the long side yet, but my bias because of the dollar is one more high coming in the British pound. Although there was a great trade on the short side, we had massive divergence here. This doesn't look like a low yet. Maybe we'll get some type of retest here. But I'm leaning towards, again, one more push up in the pound to take out the remaining short and then have it be a pretty good selling opportunity. I'm looking for them to end up taking out the stop here above the 159.91 level. Any questions on pound dollar? Okay. Moving on to euro USD. Pretty much a similar situation that you had in the pound. You had a 3 drive to a top formation. Real nice divergence up here. But I'm not convinced that we're just going to, trade back down under 130 here. I think that there's a possibility that there's another push up in euro USD. Maybe we get up towards 137 if I'm right about the dollar index trading at the 77 handle. So I'm not as bearish as everyone, despite all the news that they're talking about with Italy and so forth. Maybe that's a summer story. So what I'm looking for, maybe the dollar's weak for another month. That's about it. 31.25. To go short at 31.25, it's above it right now. Here's 31.25. You talking about buying it there? Or looking for that for a target? Okay. So possible buy there? Yeah, it could be. Because I think we have to take out some of the shorts here. And maybe before it's over, we take out the bears up here. Just the way I'm seeing the dollar right now. And it's not easy to have this opinion with the S&Ps finally rolling over. Okay? And also the bonds don't look like they've bottomed yet. So you could have disintermediation with higher rates. I really don't comment. I comment on individual trades with my membership, Anil. Okay. This was really the big story, was the yen. We failed to make a new high 2 days ago. If I'm right about the dollar, you could probably look for some type of low in the yen around this 82-ish range. And I still think there could be maybe one more push up towards 85, especially if I'm right about what the dollar is going to do and the S&Ps do not break down. But then I think that's it in the end for a while. So, maybe we push down towards this 82 range and I'd be looking for perhaps one more high up towards 85 even on the yen. Any questions on that? Which means we should have a pretty good recovery here in euro yen. This is what gives me pause about the yen having one more high. The euro yen, the yen pairs look much weaker than euro USD, right? What's weaker? This or this? This or this? Because I could make a case in euro yen for 105 after some recovery. Okay? I think we should get some type of fib retracement here. Same with the guppy. We had massive divergence on the 4-hour up here. I think that we could pull back to wave 4 of lesser degree down around the 125 longer term. So I'm looking to sell rallies here. So I'm looking for a pop in the yen. If I'm right about the dollar, it's going to mainly be, I think, the pound and the euro that carry these pairs into sell zone rather than the yen. But we'll see. Aussie was short from here, covered down in here. The 103.80 level was pretty important, 104.80 level. So actually, I think we're going to get some type of bounce here. Same with Kiwi. Almost have 3 drives to a bottom here in Kiwi. But I'd be looking for perhaps 104.70 should be pretty, 104.80 was a pretty important level for me. That's what was trying to hold here. So I think it's going to have trouble at 104.70.